Post-Impressionism emerged in France in the 1880s, a natural evolution from the groundbreaking exploration of the Impressionists. Rather than rejecting the foundations laid by their predecessors, these artists sought to deepen the emotional impact of their work while infusing structure into their compositions. Statement pieces depicting light's playful dance transformed into powerful visual narratives, rich with soul, dreams, and introspection. This new era of art was not defined by a singular style, but rather a collective belief among artists. They gravitated towards bold, unnatural colors and employed thick brushstrokes laden with texture. Heavy outlines framed their subjects, often reflecting the emotional or symbolic weight carried by their themes. Geometric shapes found their way into the work, adding a layer of complexity that rooted the emotional expressions in tangible forms. Among the vanguard of post-impressionists, Vincent van Gogh stood as a beacon of emotional depth. In his work, wheat fields became a swirl of vibrant yellows and greens, embodying both the tranquility and chaos of life. Each stroke carried his heartbeat, as seen in the swirling skies of Starry Night, which pulsated with his inner turmoil and longing for connection. His quest to paint not just what he saw but what he felt rendered his pieces as profound cries for empathy and understanding. Paul Cézanne, on the other hand, approached the canvas with a more cerebral touch, striving for solidity in the fluidity of color. He interpreted reality through form and structure, restructuring visual elements as cylinders and spheres. His dedication to making Impressionism solid and lasting set the stage for future movements like Cubism, where forms fragmented beautifully into modernity. Paul Gauguin took a different path by venturing to Tahiti, in search of purity and transfiguration. His strikingly flat colors conjured dreamlike scenes that merged the mythical with the real. In his grand works, he posed profound existential questions, encouraging viewers to pursue deeper truths beyond mere observation. Meanwhile, Georges Seurat meticulously crafted each tiny dot of color into a harmonious visual concerto, as seen in A Sunday Afternoon on the Island of La Grande Jatte, blending his scientific approach to color with evocative storytelling. Other artists like Henri Toulouse-Lautrec, Émile Bernard, and Maurice Denis contributed varied perspectives, enriching the movement's diversity. They utilized personal truths, pushing the boundaries of visual representation toward the depths of emotional experience. Post-Impressionism was thus characterized by each artist's signature, imprinted on the canvases not merely to depict life, but to resonate with the soul.